Hi guys, and welcome to a new video by Millsy London. Today we're making a small boob top just to match the previous skirt that we had made in the previous video, or it can be worn by itself. First we're going to start off with the top. We're going to ignore the small square and just focus on the bigger piece. We're going to start off by sewing the edges. I have a pre-made strip that's going to go around the front and tie at the back, and that's also already been sewn. Just needed to fold in the raw edges by 1/2 inch, and then yeah, that's about it. So we're going to place it at the front of the bigger piece that still needs to be sewn, and we're just going to make sure that it's centered so the remaining fabric that dangles at the sides are even. Now we need to sew all the raw edges. As you can see, I've sewn it around the edges, and still focus on the small piece that we do not need. Just focus on the big piece. I've now sewn down the strip, and as you see, it's even on both sides. And this is the pre-strip that we created, and basically voila, the top is done. As you can see, it's sewn together by a bow at the back, so that was just the front piece we needed. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for another one. See you later.